90% of the time when you have a floodlight on the outside of the house like this, it is controlled with a switch. And that's fine. We're gonna make it work for my case because that is the case, but that's something to keep in mind. If you have a floodlight on a switch and maybe it's connected to some other lights and they all come on at the same time, you're gonna have to leave those lights on, unscrew those light bulbs, or you're gonna have to change some wiring around because this needs constant power. The lights are motion activated and you can control those settings, but the camera needs constant power. It doesn't have a battery or anything. So if you have a light with a switch, you're gonna have to make sure that the switch stays on. So all I'm gonna do is take out these screws. I know that this is a white cover and this is beige, but I am eventually switching all of my outlet covers to white. So that's why I got white. Take these out, and then this is how it works. It's just a little clip right here. And if you want, it does come with longer white screws. I'm gonna keep those handy, but I'm actually just gonna put these old screws back in. Those are long enough. There we go. Now, you're gonna have to open this up to turn that on or off. So just to show you, I have that switch on. I actually flipped it on so I could show you. That is live. So now I'll turn the switch off. Got nothing. And as always, regardless if you have a switch or not, it's a good idea to shut the breaker off.